Hi guys, it's Matthew again. This is our second strategy for today. It's still the same touch trading for volatility 25 index using the Deutsche channel indicator. So briefly before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the Binary Pips Reaper boats, just visit www.binarypipsreaperboats.ctydechnologies.com.ng. The boat is still very effective, and it was updated on the 1st of February 2021. So you can see some of the results of the boat right here. Binary Pips Reaper Boats.ctydechnologies.com.ng is just 7.99 USD. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, bank transfer, and all that. So just visit the website to purchase the boats. And for those who haven't purchased the Torch Scalper boots, it's just 9.99 USD, and the version 5.1 is out, and we've sent it already to those who have previously purchased the boat. And you can see the boat at work on the derivative interface, and you can see the boat at work on the binary.com interface right there. So just visit www.torchscalper.ctydechnologies.com.ng to purchase the Torch Scalper boats. And here again as the links is the link. We are going to paste all this in the video description on YouTube, so make sure you are watching on YouTube. There's a link to purchase the Pips Reaper boat. Visit binarypipsreaperboat.ctydechnologies.com.ng, and for the Torch Scalper boat, visit torchscalper.ctydechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. Here, for those who don't have a trading account, use this link to sign up for a free trading account. Just check the YouTube video description, and make sure you subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button. These are the links. Subscribe to this channel and the other channel. We'll be dropping some strategies on both channels today, 15th of February 2021. So just subscribe to both channels to watch all our latest strategies. So let's get back to the trading. Here we are going to be trading the volatility 25 index. Touch, same as the last strategy for volatility 10 index, just that the barrier settings is different. So we are using the D Trader. Just log into derry.com, and on the top left corner you click on D Trader. So once you click on D Trader, you change the trade type to synthetic index volatility 25 index. Once you click on that, you go to the indicator. You go to indicator, then you click on volatility, you click on the Deutsche channel indicator. Once you click on it, you click on this plus, till you see this movement, because if you don't click on it, you won't be seeing this fast movement. You have to click on it several times to see this movement. You can see once it's up, you click on touch there because it's up right there. So I'm going to explain that to you briefly. This is the time count right here, then this is the trade I just placed now. So we are going to set the barrier. You set the durations to 2 minutes. You set the duration. You can see we are close already. We already won that trade right there. You can see it won that trade right there. So let me get back to the settings again. You set the durations to 2 minutes, then you set the barrier to minus 0.209, minus 2.209. Minus 0.209. So it's up again. Once this thing is up here, we're going to be clicking on touch again. I've clicked on touch there because it's up right there. Let me close this last trade and watch this. It has to be up here, and you have to be fast with it. You can see we already won that second trade. It has already touched the barrier. So once it's up with high speed, you can see it's up again. I click on touch. That's going to be our last trade for today before we proceed to the next strategy. As a third trade, let me close this. So this is the trade right there. You can see when it's up, I quickly click on touch. You have to be fast when clicking on touch. You have to be very fast. So this is the time count left. Okay, you can see we've won that trade there, though it took a bit longer. We've won that trade. So what I'm going to be advising is, after the first trade, just give it like 30 seconds or 20 seconds before you go for the next trade. Just let the market rebound before you go for the next trade. You can see we won all the trades right there, though the last one took a little bit longer because I didn't wait for so long to place the next trade. I was so fast with it. So just give it like 10 or 20 seconds before you go for your next trade. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just hit the subscribe button, and if you haven't purchased the Pips Reaper boat, just visit www.pipsreaperboats.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. It's just $7.99 USD and it's still effective. You can make payment using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and all that. For the Toscaper boat, for those who haven't purchased the boat, the version 5.1 is out. Just visit www.toscaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase the boat. Just $9.99 USD. Thanks for watching. Bye.